In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your FOREX.com account to TradingView Introduction. By the end, you'll be able to trade directly from your TradingView charts using your FOREX.com account, with your balances and open positions syncing automatically. Before we start, make sure you can log into both platforms and that you know whether you'll be connecting a demo or a live account. Begin on TradingView by opening a chart. For this demonstration, use the BTC/USD demo asset so the layout matches what you'll see on your screen. Any chart works, but the BTC/USD demo chart is a simple place to start and ensures you're not placing unintended live orders while you set things up. At the bottom of the chart, look for the trading panel. Click it to expand the broker panel. This is where TradingView lists supported brokers and trading integrations. If you don't see it, make sure your chart is in the main view and not in a minimized layout. From the list of brokers, click forex.com. This tells TradingView that you want to link your account from that provider. You'll see a prompt indicating that TradingView will connect to your broker securely. Next, log into your forex.com account. When prompted, enter your username and password exactly as you would on the broker's website. If your account uses additional security, follow any on-screen verification, keep your credentials secure, and only enter them on the official login window provided by the integration. After logging in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection between forex.com and TradingView. This permission allows TradingView to display your account details, balances, and open positions, and lets you place, modify, and close trades directly from the chart. Review the permissions and confirm. If you maintain multiple profiles or both demo and live access, double-check that the correct account is being linked so your trades route where you expect. To finalize, click Connect. TradingView will confirm the link and show your broker status in the trading panel as connected. You should now see your account information populate, along with the ability to place orders from the chart using the trading buttons and order ticket. Once connected, you can start trading from TradingView immediately. Your positions and orders will sync with forex.com, and any changes you make on one platform will reflect on the other. If data doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and ensure the trading panel is open and set to the right account. That's it. Your forex.com account is now connected to TradingView, and you're ready to trade straight from your charts with a smooth, integrated workflow.